then it's going to $77,000. Okay. The price should not go above 86,200 for it to go to, or else it's going to 77. Okay. It will go to 77 here. This is the inverted chart of Bitcoin. Okay. Why 77 to be precise? And it has to make a decision quickly because of this right there. Okay. Do you see this? Again, this is an inverted chart of Bitcoin. So it will kiss this level right there if it's going to the $77,000 mark. Okay. So Sorry about that, man. Can you hear me now? I forgot to check. I wear these Bluetooth glasses to check if the sound is on or not. But it should be on now. Okay. So, again, I have to redo the whole thing again, like in the last video right here. What we mentioned, if you notice, if it goes above this, then it's going to 77.5. Okay. If it breaks this pattern, we're in this triangle, right? The price should not go above this level. Okay. If it starts to go above 86, then it's going to $77,000. Okay. The price should not go above 86,200 for it to go to, or else it's going to 77. Okay. It will go to 77 here. This is the inverted chart of Bitcoin. Okay. Why 77 to be precise? And it has to make a decision quickly because of this right there. Okay. Do you see this? Again, this is an inverted chart of Bitcoin. So 76,300, just if you watch this video, it was on 9 days ago. I said we have to make a decision quickly for Bitcoin to hit this. And look where we are. We kissed our level, and this candle, the weekly candle, this will be a long wick, okay? Long wick. And soon I will not be surprised if this goes, gets a, kills all the shorts and reaches 105. 105 pretty quickly. By 14th Feb, it's possible. By second week of Feb, or even earlier than that, it's possible you might see this go down. This is the inverted chart of Bitcoin. That means when I say down, that means the price is going up. 105, 106, pretty quick. That will kill all the shorts. And you know how bearish the momentum is. The bullish momentum will come back like in a snap. Like in a snap. Yesterday, Ben Cohen was watching. My friend Ben Cohen was watching our YouTube channel. Right, and I saw he's trying to cover himself now. Where did his Twitter go? Ben Cohen. Right here. Like 6-7 hours ago, he posted. This is the first time he posted something bullish about Bitcoin. And I'm really glad he did that. Where was it? Right here. Okay. He said, this is the bull case of Bitcoin, by the way. Look. So he's saying now that we'll go up. You watched Straight TV, baby. Ben, we are going up. Okay? And I said this long time ago. Bitcoin is going to respect this channel. Respect this channel. And all the bears are going to be left behind. All the bears are going to be left behind. And it will not give a chance for them to get in. It'll be fast. Boom. Fast to 105. That thing's going to happen lightning fast. And it's going to be incredible to watch. It's going to be an incredible sight to watch. I love it. So look at the others chart. Okay, on the others chart, you see this candle this week? The weekly candle should close above, I would say, $189 billion. So next few hours, I would say. Right now, it's about 5:31. So by, I think, 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock Eastern time, the candle closes. So before the weekly candle, is it today or tomorrow the weekly candle is going to close? So just saying, when this weekly candle closes, there'll be a long wick. You see how this long wick is here? You would see a long wick right there, and the price closes above 190. That's what I expect. And how I expect the price to behave from there on, it'll be like this. It's going to take forever to do this. Okay. Let's do this on a daily. So I expect it to do something like this. Make another high and then come back one more time on this channel like that before a new bull market in altcoin begins. I expect it's possible that we might go a little bit above this level, above 235, reach $245 billion, and have a pullback back to this channel before we start a beautiful, amazing alt season. Look at this. It's already getting weak. Bitcoin is already getting weak right here. When I say weak, that means it's getting strong, okay? Because it was an inverted chart of Bitcoin. How's everyone, man? Don't be scared. Scared money don't make money, okay? We have balls of fucking steel, motherfucker. Nobody can shake us. You watch this Bitcoin and the crypto market go up. Don't be worried. Don't be worried. It's going to be incredible alt season. You waited for this long, man. Don't hear the FUD, the news cycle, anything. Just focus on the charts. Just focus on the charts, nothing else. Yep. If we cross this target, then this is when I would get bearish, okay? That I don't think happens at all. If we cross this 74,900, I would say let's be a little aggressive. If we cross $71,000, just in case we could get a wick like that to 70,600, possible, just to break my conviction. It's possible that happens. I don't think happens. I think this is it. This 76,000 level was the bottom for Bitcoin. And if I would change my conviction and would turn bear if the weekly candle closes above $71,000. If the weekly candle closes right now, you will see this, man. Within the next few weeks, 1 week, you will know. When we get rejected at this point, you will know right away that the bull market is on like a Donkey Kong. It'll be fun. It'll be fun to watch all the bears get destroyed. Destroyed. Okay. It's going to be fun, man. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun to watch. People laugh at us right now. A lot of people laugh at us. Bitcoin's at 78,147 right now. All the bears are laughing at us. And look, I told you. You watch Bitcoin and crypto destroy all these bears. It's going to be a fun sight to watch. All the shorts are going to get destroyed. Mark my words, destroyed. It's going to be fun. We are going to have a magnificent alt season. You heard it on Straight TV, baby. Yeah, baby. Anyone doubting themselves should watch this video again and again. Holding tight in fact, loaded more, brother. Lolo Mo, how's it going, brother? Sound like Kamikaze. Raj added more Litecoin. What an amazing opportunity. Everything goes to zero, then we go up. Was just checking my sound system. Yeah, man, my sound was off. I apologize. Apologize, brothers. But I am so excited. So excited for the crypto market. It's going to be an incredible sight to watch. Let me confirm. Let me confirm. Yeah. Okay. Let's come back to Bitcoin. Yeah, 102, 102, 103. But the price could come back in this channel to 90,000 pretty quickly, okay? 90,000 should come pretty quickly. How's everyone, man? Pranay Patel, can you do BCH? Sure, brother. BCH 489. Whenever you look at BCH, just watch gold, okay? Anytime you have doubts in your mind, anytime you have doubt in your mind about your conviction about BCH, just look at this pattern, okay? Just look at this pattern. And just relax, brother. Just relax. Look at this. And look at that. We are here. We're right here. And look where gold went. Don't get scared. Look at where gold went. Okay? Look at that. An incredible run is coming to Bitcoin Cash. An incredible run. Nothing to be scared of. Just relax. Have a sip of your scotch or your cheap beer that you drink, Pranay. Pranay likes to drink cheap beer. Miller Lite. That's our joke, man. That's my buddy, Pranay. He likes to drink cheap beer. And he likes to get scared. When you get a tiny dip, Prana likes to get scared. And he likes to get fucked up, like drink. And he's like, hey, what is happening, Shay? What the fuck is this? You know, what the fuck is this? I hate crypto. I fucking hate crypto. Yeah, even if we come down to 418, I wouldn't be scared. Just look. Okay? Don't be worried. Don't be worried. Just chillax, my brother. Just chill. Would I be scared if the wick goes down to 400? No. Yeah. I wouldn't like it, but I wouldn't be scared. Okay? Get done with it. Get done with it. Get done with this bullshit and let the bull run begin for Bitcoin Cash. Sure, you made him bought the top, didn't you, LMO? Who? Can you turn it the right way? Market is hard, man. Yeah. Holding Staffy because that's all I can do. Yeah. Look at Swiftcoin. It's holding pretty good, man. Until these coins are holding pretty well, we have nothing to worry about. Look at this. Holding the line pretty well. Holding the line pretty well. Look at Polyswarm. I'm looking at it. It just the wick went a little lower than I expect. But just today itself, you should see a massive, massive comeback in Polyswarm. Next week. It's just next week you will see a huge pump. We could go to these levels, 2-cent level. That's a massive pump for Polyswarm. Within next week or two, a 200% pump from the level where we are at. Polyswarm is at 0.007 right now. Massive, massive pump. I made him bought the top? No, man. He bought Bitcoin Cash at $600. This was way back when he was new in crypto. So on Bitcoin Cash, right here, he had some gains here. $600. I remember here we bought. Because I sold majority of my other stuff and got into Bitcoin Cash right here. Like I had already Bitcoin Cash. I got out of other cryptos that pumped a lot harder, like Cardano. I had Origin Trail. I got all the tops of these cryptos because I knew they were the top. I got out of Origin Trail at $3.40. And here, let's see, track. October 2021. Yeah, $3.40. That's where I got out. 31st of October 2021. Let's see, where was Bitcoin Cash? 31st of October. Let's see Cardano. I got out at $1.40 or something like that. Yeah, right here I got out. This was Feb of 2021. I got out of Cardano. Right here. I bought it here at 4 cents. Cardano. Got out here. I thought this was the top. And got all my profits into Bitcoin Cash. See, somewhere right here. Pranay and me both bought, Bitcoin Cash right here to ride the pump. And yeah, I thought we would have another all-time high. This is where I fucked up in Bitcoin Cash, and I sold at $600 back again in the market. And we bought majority of our stake in Bitcoin Cash right here at $100. People always forget, okay, we missed this run, sold here, but we bought at $100. Nobody remembers that. We bought a lot of Bitcoin Cash at $100. You don't remember this pump? This pump that I called to the T, that we are going to pump aggressively. You don't remember this? That'll be a sudden pump, 200, 220%. Watch the videos. Right. So we bought a lot of Bitcoin Cash at $100. So we are up. In Bitcoin Cash, we are up almost 386% right now. So nothing to worry about, man. It's just consolidation right now. Yeah, it's just a lot of weight, man, gets people frustrated. I am frustrated too. But what are you going to do? I remember that pump and the live stream though. Yeah. Kevin, yes, I was wrong. I am 2 years behind. 2024, I thought we were going to pump and have an alt season. 2 years, okay? But I was right on Altcoin. You can't be. I'm not God, okay? I'm not God. I'm just like you, but I spend more time on the charts. But what I'm telling you right now is the bottom. No matter what people say. You have to pinpoint the times that I've been right when you mention the time when I'm wrong. Okay? And I accept it. I'm not like that. I said this, I said that. Yeah, I'm wrong on the timing. But majority of the factors, with Bitcoin and the crypto market, I've been correct on. See this? Where did the others market go? Right here. I thought at this point it would start going up. I didn't expect this to happen for so long. Okay? I didn't expect the sideways action. My mind cannot comprehend this much sideways action. Almost how many days? 1,100 days of sideways action. 1,127 days of sideways action. It has never happened before. Right here, from the bottom to here, in last cycle, the sideways action was 749 days. Okay, so 749 days from here put us here. Right, Jan of 2025, and we go up. We had almost another year to it. Added another year to it. Alts are destroyed though. Man, there were so many tourists in crypto. Everybody's gone. The concept that a bear market is coming, you have to, if you have a little bit sanity in you, you have to understand when crypto goes down, there should be buyers. Who's going to buy this shit? Who's going to buy? Just have logic in your mind. There's a liquidity squeeze right now. We have monetary tightening since past 3 years. I would say past 4 years we had monetary tightening. Interest rates were going up. The economy was in shambles. There is no job security to people. People are losing their jobs. People don't have the money. Inflation was crazy. Things are expensive. People don't have money to buy food. Do you think they're going to buy crypto? Who's buying? Tell me. When there's an equal trade, buy and sell, right? Demand and supply. There is no demand right now. No demand for these institutions to sell their crypto. They have to create an hype. There is nothing called apathy. Nothing called apathy. There has to be hype. They have to make you happy and show you dreams and then take your money. Okay? They cannot destroy you for 3-4 years and then say, oh, this is the bear market. We are going even lower. No. We are at the bottom, bro. Yep. People who are getting scared right now. I made this video, with this vigor so that they understand where they are and not make stupid mistakes. Stupid. Okay? Nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet who loves cryptos and my crypto bros. That is you. Okay? Where we are going with this. Okay, I feel the 236 is right here. And Bitcoin is going to this level, 145, possibly pushing it 150. Okay. You see the Fibonacci? Right here is the top. This is the 236. 236 is this level. Previous high. And a high 145, pushing it 150. Okay, the wick could go to 150. That's what I'm thinking as of now. 150, between 145 to 150,000 Bitcoin per Bitcoin. You heard it on Shrek TV, baby. When Bitcoin price is hanging around $78,000. 78. The whole market is calling for 50,000, 30,000, 80,000. I'm sorry. Not 80. 60,000. And there are no ifs and buts behind this, okay? You see the confidence in my voice. This is not a cocky behavior. Bitcoin is going to surprise everyone. All the bears are going to get destroyed. They're going to cry tears of blood. When this happens, make sure you clip this video and make it viral, because it'll be an historical moment. What's the date today? The 1st of February? No, 31st Jan. It's 31st Jan of 2026. Bitcoin sitting at 78,100. The wick went to 75,800. Everyone's scared. And I'm telling you on this channel that Bitcoin is going to surprise everybody. We are going to $150,000. Between $145,000 to $150,000. You heard it on Shreeky Baby. And the altcoins, which are dead, are going to resurrect and make new highs. And it's going to be an incredible alt season that you have never, ever experienced before. It's a historical moment. This live is very important. People who are watching right now, you are one of the luckiest people, okay? There are 39 people watching, okay? There are about 500 million people in crypto. You're the lucky ones. You're the lucky ones. Count your blessings, man. A lot of people are making so many mistakes right now. It's crazy. When I was new, I remember when crypto markets used to dump like that, and the amount of trading that I used to do, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. All your capital goes away in trading fees and the fuck ups that you do in 10%, 20%, 10%, 20% trading that you do. It fucks up your portfolio. You had, say for example, you had 600 Bitcoin cash and you start trading, on these, crazy short-term chop. You end up, your coins become lower and lower. At the end of the bull market, you're still winning because you're into crypto. But here you have 600 Bitcoin cash, and because of fuck up trading, you fuck up almost to 400 Bitcoin cash when the bull run ends by that time. It's not about the price of the coin. It's about how many coins you have. How many have you accumulated? A lot of people are mentally tired and they cannot handle this shit. I don't blame them, man. Not everybody's strong like Sheree. Okay? Not everybody has balls like Sheree. You have to have balls of steel. Okay? If you don't have it, you're gonna lose it. Sorry, man. This is just to encourage you. Sometimes you have to curse your friends out because they're mentally broken down, right? And you're like my friends. I am like your fitness trainer for mental health, for mental health, who encourages you for your last rep. When you're almost about to get done, you burned out, you cannot do one more rep, and your friend says, motherfucker, keep going, one more. That's who I am. Okay? Just relax. After that, you can relax. One more rep left. Okay? And it'll be all good. Okay. I said whatever I had to say. And no more gyan. Gyan means knowledge. Knowledge is power. And you have this power right now in this market. which is very confusing for a lot of people and for their mental health. 3-4 years is a long time, man. I don't blame you. You guys are really tough. Whosoever's into crypto right now, your success in life is going to be so huge. No matter what field you choose, what are you going to do with this money? You are going to do incredible things because what you have survived. 4 years in crypto is like 20 years, man. It feels like 20 years. The bear market that you have survived, you're going to do so well once you cash out. Because any field, you're going to have patience in your relationships. You're going to value more money. You're going to value time and wealth. It's going to be incredible. I'm not worried. Everyone is looking for expensive coins. I've never wanted so many coins to just hit penny. What's up? Pump it. XRP Shrey. Okay. Let me share XRP with you. Okay, this is XRP. Posted XRP on the Patreon. Look at this. What was the bottom price? Between 145 to 120. 145 to 120 was the bottom price. The top price was between $2.40 to $3. $2.40 to $3 was the top price for XRP. XRP. Where are we in XRP? Let's do a weekly. I'll remove all this so that you have a clear picture. Remade this chart. Look at this. We have two arcs. You have this bigger arc that's going to come and support you. And you have a smaller arc right here, which is going to support you as well. There's this big brother and there's this young brother supporting you at 145. A wick could go to 120, I said, you know. I wouldn't be surprised if we go to 120. Still be bullish. Okay? Nothing to be worried about. XRP is going to between $7 to $10. $7 to $10. Just watch this chart. Everyone's calling for $20, $30. Well, good if that happens. You know, I would be selling somewhere around $6. If it goes to $10, I don't care if it goes to $10. But at $5, between $5 to $7, I'm out in XRP. $7, I would say. Yeah. Could go to $10. We could possibly come out of this channel. You know, this channel is pretty strong. So the top of this channel is $7, I would say. $6, $7. The wick could go to $10. You know, we could get out of this channel. So yeah, XRP between, I would say, $6 to $10. A week could go to $10, but yeah, $6 to $7. Yeah, I'm out of XRP. But it will stay a long time up there, okay? Making people confused. What's gonna happen? It's gonna go like this, and it'll stay like that for a long time. Up there, stay in this range. XRP is gonna hold pretty well between, you know, I would say $4 to $8. It's gonna hold pretty well before it starts coming down like this. 2029 or 2030, we could be looking at between 56 cents, I would say 40 cents to 33 cents XRP. Yeah, that's crazy. You'd be like, what? Yeah, that's what I expect. Unless we break this. Unless we break this. I could be wrong, okay? And XRP could go to the moon like everyone says. But I don't think so. It would stay in this range for a long time. You know, and then go down to these levels by 2029 or 2030. Okay? Martin Felipe, when would you re-enter XRP? At 50 cents. I'll start buying at 50 cents. 50 cents to this level, 35 cents. 50 cents. Yeah, I would say 50 cents is a good buy. Going all in on XRP. Because what happens to XRP is crazy. XRP could go to $100 after that. XRP would never look back. Go do this. And then go to $100 by probably 2032 or 2034. XRP could be $100. Yep. That's what I think. I'm not pulling numbers from my ass. That's what I think XRP is going to hit. $100 to $150. It'd be crazy to buy at 34 cents, 50 cents. You know, your name will be in history that you bought XRP at 50 cents. There's one more chance left to make money in crypto. One more crazy dump is going to come. And XRP tells me that it's going to happen. It's going to be really bad. When everyone gets bullish, this is when I'll be getting bearish. In this area, once XRP reaches $5, $6, then makes another high, goes to $8, $10, the sentiment will be really bullish. Oh, we're going to go to $20. Oh, we're going to go. XRP is going to go to $589. Oh, this is going to happen. That's going to happen, you know? So this is when it's time. Time is not to get bearish when everyone's feeling sad and miserable and You know, time to get bearish will be doing this. 2027, everyone will be really bullish, calling for new highs. You know, a new super cycle that crypto will keep on going up and up and up. Okay? That's the time to get out. Okay, CIO, good luck. Always short XRP. What's your bottom, Shay? What do you think, bud? Bottom is in, yes. Sunny saying bear market in full effect. XRP 50 cent coming. Yeah, if you cross all this out and think, if the bear market is into play, then you know how it'll look. It'll be like this. If bear market is into play, we should look at all the scenarios, right? If bear market is into play, then it would look like this, okay? And you're right, 50 cents would come to this level. XRP would come to 50 cents level. And then go up from there. Okay? Does that happen? I don't think so right now because I'm bullish on crypto. I'm really bullish on crypto. See, this chart was posted. When was this chart posted? November 16th, 2024. Look at this. Going to $7 to $8, brother. $7 to $8 XRP. I'm just trying to be conservative and say, yeah, $7 to $8 is being conservative. Yeah, I would get out of my positions at $6, not be greedy. Yep, $7 to $8 XRP. Okay, this live stream was just to make sure I tell you what is happening. Staffy. Okay, I'll look at Staffy. Staffy. Might have to wait a little longer than expected, brother. You know, what could happen with Staffy? We could do something like this, okay? Reach this level and then go up and then have a big pullback like that. This one's on until January 2025. So yeah, expect a big pullback like that and then come back up like that and then have a big pump. Okay? Something like this. Expect something like this for Staffy. One more dump is possible for Staffy once it reaches these levels. So, you know, 4 cents or 5 cents. The wick could go to 5 cents. 4 or 5 cents. And then have a big dump. Make another low. And consolidate before going up. Okay. So we could go up to these levels and then have a sharp pullback before making a new high. So some time and patience is required for Staffy. Time and patience. Why am I saying? Because I see it's forming a microphone pattern, which would make another low. Okay, like this. See the microphone? You know, you go up from here. It's going to be really volatile once it reaches here at this point. See, I already made this microphone pattern here. $0.04, 5 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents level, and then come back 2.01 cents, 1 cent, you know, right in this range, 0.01. Possible. So first go up. Ideally, what I would like is to Staffy to reach this level, 8 cent level, come and kiss this 8 cent level and then drop. Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. But I was saying 4 cents because of this triangle. I feel it's gonna make a microphone pattern like that. So every time it touches this line, first of all, it'll be tough to break. Whenever this breaks 2 cent level, it's gonna go aggressively up. So every time it reaches this 2 cents level, it's gonna come back down, then make another high like that, and then boom, a big crash to this. What was the crash at 0.011 to 0.0124, and then come back up in this range, come right away back in this range, consolidate, 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 make you tired, and then have a big pump to this level right there, 29 cents, and have a big crash again to these levels, to 6 cents probably. And then from that crash, go back up to $2. $2 is Staffy target. Okay, it's going to look like this. I expect it to look like this. 2-3 big pullbacks before we reach $2. Be like Shrey blowing smoke. Well, do you have any other option? You're gonna sell at 0.1 cent. But this is what I expect for Staffy. Joining late, but nice to see you live again, Shrey. You are my bear market bottom indicator. Is getting your YouTube notification for your live. Oh, okay. How are you, brother? Andrew Villa? Who's new here? Who is new here? Andrew, we discussed that this was the Bitcoin's bottom, okay? Here's was people who are joining right now who missed the stream. This is for them. I believe this is Bitcoin's bottom. And the week is going to be the weekly candle. We should come to 90,000 pretty quickly, okay? 90,000 should come pretty quick for Bitcoin. And then between $102,000 to $105,000. Here. And I have a wick that goes up to 103, 90,000. As I said, $90,000 to $93,000 should come pretty quick for Bitcoin. And the top of Bitcoin, I would say between 145 to 150. If you respect this trend line, then 135 could come pretty quick if we respect this trend line. Okay? If we respect this trend line, then 135 should come pretty quick. According to here, it says March, April. If not, then we go back to this trend line right here. Then it's going to be a long wait for 150. It might happen somewhere in probably December or Jan of December of 2026 or Q1. Anyone seeing what I'm seeing on 5 minutes? Man, don't look at 5 minutes. No point looking 5 minutes. Why would you look at 5 minutes? Yeah, it's coming back up. Because we are coming close to this day ending. The month is ending. 31st. Month is ending. The monthly end. It'll be a long wick. The price would go up pretty quickly to 90,000. Okay? It should move up pretty quickly and swiftly. Everybody like and comment on the video after the stream. Straight TV, baby. Yes, man. Guys, make sure, you're watching quality content and you forget. You don't pay me, do nothing, right? So at least have a courtesy that go back on the video and have some discussion on the video, right? Good, bad, whatever comment you have. Once the stream is done, make sure you say something, okay, on the comments. I'm gonna take off. Okay, this stream was just to make sure that my buddies are not shaken up. Okay. Have a good night, good morning, good evening, wherever you are on this planet. Love you all, and hang in there. Take care.